Muskrat jaws, fossil ferns, insects in amber. These are just some of the oddly fascinating items that students find when digging into the lessons in Biology in a Box. The program is a fun, hands-on way for students from kindergarten to the 12th grade to learn about the wonders of the natural world, while also learning the scientific methods and math skills needed to understand that world. Because after all, as this student explains, it's more fun than reading a textbook.
When you interact with the stuff, you just remember more because you have a better time with it. No one likes to sit around and read a textbook.
We have been counting how many teeth there are and what kind of teeth they are and how many of those types of teeth there are. Just trying to figure out, what has the most teeth, and we're determining what they eat and what type of food chain they're in.
Gail Stanley has been using Biology in a Box in her 7th grade science classroom for 5 years. She says that part of the value of the boxes is the review and application of skills learned in earlier grades.
Today we were doing these, a simple division problem, and division's not covered in 7th grade standards, so they get to go back and revisit that skill and become better with that skill. And Biology in a Box has a whole series of math problems it can be most simple to very complex. Your AP biology classes can use them, your 7th grade, 4th grade, even when they're just counting the teeth. That would be a very basic kindergarten skill. And so you get to say a whole dimension of the math in one box.
Biology in a Box consists of 10 boxes, each representing 10 different thematic themes, everything from fossils to forestry, genes to behavior, and more. An 11th box, currently in production, focuses on STEM education with lessons on biomechanics. Each box contains a variety of exercises geared toward different age and ability learners. J.R. Jones is the production manager for the Biology in a Box program.
One of the first things that teachers see when they open up the box is that there's actually a teacher packet. So this lets teachers know pretty much everything that they need to know about the program, as well as the learning unit that they have there. Workbooks that come with the units, again, it's specific to that unit. You'll notice we have nice tables of contents and materials lists in there as well, kind of talking about some of the math that's incorporated to the science exercises. They're also broken down by grade level appropriateness, so teachers can just scan through the table of contents, find their grade level, and find an exercise in that unit that they want to use.
Susan Reichert, a biology professor at the University of Tennessee, created the Biology in a Box program nearly 20 years ago. The main objective of the program is to make learning fun.
It makes it real to them, and it gives them a much greater interest than just merely reading a book or doing some kind of a little simple exercise that might be on a sheet of paper, or even watching a movie, because they're engaged. They're actually engaged in the activity.
Today, Biology in a Box is in 80 school districts in Tennessee, Kentucky, Georgia, and North Carolina. It is available to school systems free of charge. A small one-time fee covers the cost of an in-service workshop for teachers. No prior knowledge of the subject matter is needed for a teacher to use the boxes. A comprehensive website with PowerPoint slides, workbook exercises, and other supplementary material is also available. For more information about how to enroll in the program, visit our website at www.nimbus.org/biology in a box.